Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
What's up, YouTube?
Welcome back to the channel.
All right, today we are doing the try not to laugh, I guess, spit edition. I don't know. I don't know exactly if that's what they call it, but you put water. Oh, noise edition.
Yeah.
Noise edition. That's
And
spit
then we're
edition.
putting a mouthful of water twist on it.
Yeah. So put water in our mouth. The other person has to make noises, no words, just noises with your mouth, and try to get the other person to spit water.
AKA, I'm gonna lose horribly on this.
I have a pretty
You'd think
good.
I would be used to this by now because he literally walks around the house just making the most random noises every day.
And I got a pretty good poker face, so.
We're not even looking at each other.
Well, no, but we
I
can.
can.
We can sit.
But you're not gonna spit that close to me.
You
No.
get. You get. This is splash zone, sweetheart. Splash
No.
zone. So, who's going first? I think you gotta try me first.
I don't even know noises to make.
Any kind of noises. You ready?
No, I'm not.
Alright.
It's like the T-Rex challenge when they're like dinosaurs. That one's freaking hilarious. I don't even know what to make. I don't make. You just walk around the house like. Yeah! I'm gonna make myself laugh. I can't do this. Like, I don't make noises. I feel like we can't look at each other. Like, what if I just like surprise? I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to do. I don't make noises. I feel so stupid.
Alright, you put water in your mouth then.
Oh, I feel stupid.
Jeez, oh, bees. What the hell was that?
Sweat in my mouth.
Yeah. We'll fill her up. Alright. Yeah, you hold that bad boy. I haven't even done anything yet. No. Alright. No? Nothing? Yeah, what are you doing? You can't be making noises. I'm making the noises. No? Are you swallowing?
I'm joking.
Yeah. Are you choking again? Why aren't you spitting? You're not supposed to try to choke on it. Alright. I haven't even done anything! My nose? Oh my god, just swallow it! I don't need to be doing CPR. Are you good? You ready? No? We didn't grab no paper towels, nothing.
I don't know.
Why does it sound like I'm in an Amazon jungle?
That's all I know. That's all I know how to do.
I just see myself walking through Jumanji.
We want to walk through like scary woods now.
Mm-hmm.
You're swallowing.
No, I ain't. Accuse me.
That was rude.
Don't accuse me. I still had a whole mouthful. I'm drinking. No. That's monkey. Hey, they said no words. They didn't say no animals. So we do. I spit everywhere. All right. Don't give me control. That's payback. Damn.
Speaking like another
It's all fair.
freaking piglet up in here.
Don't get my clock wet. All right, you ready?
Speaking like in me, like. I'm really good at animal noises. I don't do this. Oh, you're too serious. My face is funny.
The faces are working. Oh my.
So it needs to be like a surprise. Like you can't like look at me and like, but like I don't know. It's just under pressure. Well, no, don't spit that way. You're getting.
I didn't know touching was allowed.
I got a burger off of you.
Keep it up, doo-doo. That was pretty basic. See what these damn Amazon noises. It's the same damn thing. What the hell was that? A banana? Yeah, I'll take a banana. I'm a little hungry right now. No.
What we should do is
Oh.
like when you turn around, you gotta make a noise. Oh, I'm getting like that sticky dry. Excuse me. I know, it's about to drip through the center there too. It's gonna be all wet. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, that's bothering me, that's dripping. Tea time. It's going right through the crack. What are you doing? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Babe.
Mm.
You even have enough in your mouth now? Don't. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was
You swallowed it! That was a good one.
It was. You gotta do your you gotta dig deep for your yeah though, babe.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't do it all the time.
Yeah, I'm a pro as a yeah.
Well, that's a problem. Okay.
Can you yeah?
I mean, I know that's technically words, but it's sound.
Yeah, it works. All right, 1, 2, 3. Nah. Just try to do like a T-Rex or something, maybe, you know. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. See, that's the only thing.
Monkey.
That's
He
only
goes
thing-
to a monkey.
that's
You make
only
fun of
thing-
me for making Amazon noises, but all you can do, you come up with monkeys.
Well, after you come up with 6 different ones, you kind of run out. All right, well, that's the Try Not to Laugh challenge from us. If you liked the video, please hit the like. Please comment down below any suggestions that you guys may have.
Hopefully our comments are working. We're figuring that out.
So we get like notifications that we're getting them, but when I go to YouTube and I try to look at them, they're not showing
there.
up.
So we're trying to figure that out. So if you guys could comment below, like even silly stuff, like whatever, just so we can see if we can see them, that'd be great. But click that subscribe button, click the bell so you guys get notified of our uploads.
And we will catch you guys later.
Peace.
Peace.